So, Raleigh, you're here today. How many weeks after your ankle surgery and foot surgery?
This is 7 weeks.
7 weeks, right? And you're a very interesting case, and this is why we're doing this, because you were seeing another physician, we're not going to mention any names,
Right.
for how many years?
10.
10 years.
Right.
And you had an accident 10 years ago, right?
I did. I kick-starting a motorcycle and it backfired and
Okay.
hit my foot.
Okay, so speak up for us.
Okay,
you
so,
were
yeah.
basically a motorcycle, you kicked it and you
Kick-started it, yeah.
And you had multiple MRIs at Watson Clinic, right?
Yes.
And I remember the day you came in to see me about 3 months ago and you were on crutches.
Yes.
And when I asked you how long it's been, you said 10 years. I almost had a heart attack. Because you're the most patient person I've ever met, because I
Yeah.
would have not tolerated crutches for that long.
Yeah.
So we did a
over
CAT.
10 years.
Yeah, over 10 years, right? So we did a CAT scan. We found out that you had a condition called nonunion, right? No, I already used it. Thanks. So basically, you had a fifth metatarsal fracture, right? Which
Yes.
is the bone on the outside of your foot, and basically, it never healed up, right?
That's correct.
So you had like a piece of bone that was basically floating in the foot, and it never attached. And at that point, we knew it was already dead.
Right.
So I went in and I removed that piece of bone, and then I reattached the tendon to the correct spot.
Yes.
And we used some amniotic stem cell graft to help you heal, right?
Correct.
So how is your pain level comparison to where it was originally?
I don't have any pain anymore.
Okay. Are you able to walk without a crutch?
Yes.
All right. And you're going to physical therapy, right?
Yes.
So, and I know we've had some setbacks there because we had a piece of dead bone that was floating there. So, but overall, are you satisfied with the procedure so far?
Absolutely.
So would you recommend going for a second opinion if your foot fracture does not heal for 10 years?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Well, it's been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you very
yes,
much
my
for everything.
pleasure. Sure,
Yeah.
sure.